Meet the SwitchBot K10 Pro, the world's first palm-sized robot vacuum that combines powerful performance with unmatched convenience. Designed for tight spaces, it ensures 100% cleaning coverage, effortlessly navigating under sofas, around furniture, and into tricky corners. Say goodbye to missed spots and hello to a spotless home. This mini marvel features a 4L self-emptying dust collection base, requiring you to empty it just 4 times a year, perfect for those with busy schedules. Despite its compact size, the SwitchBot K10 Pro delivers powerful suction, tackling dust, crumbs, and even pet hair with ease. Its anti-tangle rubber brush is specially designed for households with pets, ensuring hair-free cleaning without the hassle. The LDS laser navigation system takes cleaning precision to the next level, identifying furniture, avoiding obstacles, and mapping up to 4 floor plans. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a multi-level home, this robot vacuum adapts seamlessly to your cleaning needs. Plus, it's super quiet, operating at just 45 dB, making it perfect for family life. Smart home enthusiasts will love the SwitchBot K10 Pro's integration with Alexa, Siri, and Google Home, Hub 2 required. Manage your cleaning tasks effortlessly with voice control or automate them for enhanced efficiency. Ready to experience the future of home cleaning? Click the link below to buy from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more expert product reviews.